Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're just going to do a quick unboxing of these items. Hopefully it won't be too long of a video. This is item number 99985. It's a pack of fine fiber discs or Roloc discs. This is what they look like. There's 5 of them. Alright. We're going to do item 99984, which is the medium, which they're red instead of blue. This is probably the 3rd time I've bought these. They work really well. I use them on my Milwaukee M12 new fuel die grinder. This is what they look like. They're kind of a reddish pink. And for $4.99, it's pretty good deal. Especially since I use them so quickly. Next one is the coarse, which are kind of a brown. They're item number 99983. Kind of a tannish brown. I usually throw all of these in the exact same drawer. This is the larger kit. I didn't buy it for these. I have these quick Roloc attachments. I bought them because it comes with some of the sanding discs. Not just the fiber disc, but it comes with the actual sanding pads. This is item number 60753. Everything I bought was at Harbor Freight today was about 68 bucks. So, it comes with kind of a pinkish red one, and it comes with these. Comes with a couple of each grit for these sanding pads. Here's the blue one, which it's actually a different color than this one. The camera is showing them as pretty close to the same color. This one is actually a bluish green, kind of like a turquoise, and this one's actually a blue. This one's also a lot thicker than these. Coarse. And if you look at all of their perspective ones, these that come in this big 11-piece kit are way thicker. Comes with this kind of scour pad style Roloc, and then comes with the Roloc quick attach as well as the threaded 1/4-inch shank. These are 9-piece router template guide set. This set is ideal for any router that has a base plate opening of 1 3/16 diameter. Includes 2 locking nuts and one each of a 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 5/8, and quarter, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch diameter templates. It's that. Oh, and this one is item number 98361. This one is item 99552, solid brass router inlay kit, perfect for easily making routing inlays with a precision fit, includes a carbide bit. These are a little sticky. Comes with the inlay attachment, which also fits these guys over here. Little information guide. Template router guide, 1 3/8 diameter by 1 1/16 thick. Insert threads 5/16 long by 1 3/16 diameter. Drill bit length 3 1/8 inch. Drill bit max RPM is 25,000, which I believe the router I have only goes up to 25,000. So that was the quick unboxing. All of these Roloc pads go in here. I put all my Roloc style pads, my quick attach pads in this drawer with all of my attachments. And then the drawer up is actually all of the grinder stuff. Grinder discs, and then a couple buffing things and some panel tools and pry tools for interior paneling, and then air tools down below. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.